In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to send money to someone on Royal Bank of Canada. Let's get started. First, log into your Royal Bank of Canada online banking account with a username and password. Once you are in, you will land on the dashboard where you can view all your accounts and transactions. Now, to send money, click on the Pay and Transfer tab. From there, select Send Money. Next, choose the account you want to send money from and then select the recipient type, either an individual or a business. If you're sending money to an individual, enter their name and account details. You also have the option to add them to your payee list for fast transfers in the future. If it's a business, enter the business name and their account information. Once the recipient is set, enter the amount you want to send and select the currency. If you'd like, you can also add a personal message for the recipient. Now carefully review all the transaction details. Make sure the recipient's information and the transfer amount are correct. When you are ready, click Confirm to complete the transaction. You'll receive an instant confirmation message letting you know your transfer has been processed. It's also worth mentioning that RBC offers other money transfer options such as wire transfers and international money transfers. Each comes with its own requirements and fees, so always check the details before sending. And if you prefer banking on the go, you can also use the RBC mobile app to send money anytime, anywhere, whether to individuals or businesses. And that's it. Sending money with Royal Bank of Canada online banking is quick, easy, and secure. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.